Paying off a GCash loan involves these steps. Access GCash app. Open the GCash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Select Manage Credit. Find and select the Manage Credit or G-Credit option within the app. This section allows you to manage your GCash loan. View outstanding balance. Check your outstanding loan balance to understand the amount due. Repayment option. Choose the repayment option or button provided within the GCash app, usually labeled as Pay Now or Repay Loan. Enter repayment amount. Input the amount you wish to repay or the total outstanding loan amount. Payment method. Select the payment method you prefer, such as using your GCash balance, linked bank account, or other payment options available in the app. Authorize payment. Review the repayment details and confirm the transaction by following the prompts provided in the app. You may need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication for confirmation. Payment confirmation. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or notification within the GCash app, indicating that your loan repayment has been processed.